Hi, my name's Rick Rome, and I'd like to welcome you to Cross-Cultural Leadership. Here I am standing outside in my backyard. Isn't it neat that we can do college online and study really anywhere that we want to? I look forward to this course in the next 8 weeks when we get to study culture and how it affects the leadership-followership dynamic. And really we're going to take a model of culture by a gentleman named Geert Hofstede and apply it to how we communicate, how we motivate, and how we work as a team. Again, how either as a leader or a follower, whether you're in a workplace or other situations, how we can best work really with people in other cultures and understand maybe why they act and behave differently than we do. So we're going to use Geert Hofstede's book as the main book for our course, looking at his 6-dimension model of culture, reading 10 chapters in here. We also have 4 chapters from 2 other books that I've given you to help us understand, again, how we best communicate, motivate, and work as a team with other cultures. As part of this course, you're going to get to look in depth at one culture of your choice, and I recommend that you choose that early on. I ask you to do that in week 1. Think about the culture, pray about it, that you want to study. Maybe it's a place that you've worked, some place from your cultural heritage, some place that you've done missions trips on or plan to go to. Make it a country and a culture that's meaningful to you. Our library has a number of resources that I wanted to point out. Some of them electronic, but most of them hard copy in the library. This is a great book and resource, Kiss, Bow, or Shake Hands. We only have this hard copy in the library, but you can find it in a lot of bookstores. It has short little chapters and sections on over probably 60 different countries around the world. This book here, Understanding Global Cultures Through Metaphor, is now in its 3rd edition. We have all 3, actually it's in its 5th edition. It's the 3rd copy that I have. It's up to 34 different cultures that are studied in it, and they look at it through a cultural metaphor, which is a neat way to explore different cultures. We have the 3rd edition, which has 29 different countries, as an ebook as well, so for students that can't make it to Lakeland in our library, it's a great resource, and I believe everybody can access it at the same time, so you might want to look through there for some of your countries. And then the last thing I wanted to point out, we started collecting these Culture Smart books, which are guides really for tourists or people going to work in another culture. This one happens to be on the United Arab Emirates. We have at least 10 in the library now, with another 10 on order. Again, you can find these probably in a bookstore. But you'll want to make sure that you have a number of outside resources on the culture that you're going to study. We're going to look at a model that predicts certain behaviors, but it doesn't always work that other sources say the same thing. So we want to trust the model, but we also want to verify it with some outside sources. Well, again, my name is Rick Rome. I look forward to working with you in this course on culture and leadership the next 8 weeks. It goes pretty fast, so make sure you stay up with all the assignments. Each week is pretty similar as far as having a quiz and a discussion forum, and then of course towards the end of the course you'll do your or throughout the course, but turning in at the end of the course, you'll do your major research project on a culture of your choice. I look forward to working with you. Thanks. Bye.